Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And we have Marcia on the mix tonight. And Marcia is saying that it doesn't make any sense that she comes out and argue or curse anyone because people are coming to their senses when it comes to other people's business. And she's saying that there's a lot that she's seen on social media where people are now minding their own business and they're not entertaining others or basically getting up and cursing for other people. So she's saying the best medicine for her right now is laughter, and that makes her happy, and that's what she's going to be doing. And remember that Marcia has her product selling, and that would be her sheets and other stuff. So go ahead and support Marcia. Have yourselves a wonderful night.
My dear, make yourself happy and laugh, yeah? In a stressful time, when anybody under pain, it don't make no sense to call cuss. I go on, but I love to cuss, but it don't make no sense. Me too tired for cussing on my body and I will pain, will muscle pain. Muscle there so, muscle under my ribs, muscle there in my body, muscle there everywhere, pain there everywhere. So me have to just laugh. Laughing right now is the best medicine for me. Me can't bother quote and argue with people and challenge people. Them the people where chat things from Wappy Kill fill up. So it don't make no sense. So you just have to just make yourself happy. Because if you don't make yourself happy, you're just so miserable like them. It make no sense. No sense. You just have to laugh at yourself and just be funny. That's it. It don't make no sense. It don't make sense to put a control of people. Me see some things that go on social media. I'm like, people, it's ridiculous because people are coming to their senses, honey. People are coming to their senses. I don't make no sense to go pick up other people's problem when you have your own little problem. Everybody has their own cliches, you know. Whether it is financial issue, house issue, man problem, children problem, it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense, mama. That's nice. Daddy go pick up a little girl from school. This one here push finger down their ears while they got ears well. Me not even want to see him do it because if he got do it, the white man look cutie backside there. Like a white man may look at me, can't be the black man nowadays. Me want a little white man. I want like Italian. I want Italian man with a date. No, I don't want no black man. The Jamaican them. Maybe the Jamaican man them. Me not busy with them. Come on, people. Time is time and time is time. And the money, because I say time is money and money is time because I'm not paying check on a bomb clock out of the road. And they'll pussy clock like green. Then they go on with their ass business. And what am I will apply for? They don't want to go in the yard. No, I'm going to get a little nap. No, I'm going to take a little muscle relaxer. I'm going to lie down. When me get free, take out the pain out of my side. Me should have take them like 3 times a day. But me need maybe like a dozen muscle relaxer right now, to tell you the truth. Yes, but me have to do this. Me have to do this. Let me see how I write up this long writing now. It better. Okay, as long as I see thing good. Because I have to be cancelled for December. They look at Christmas something. But next year, God willing, we're having it. You understand? But for the Christmas one, due to the fact I have to make other preparation for other things, important things. And you don't really want to take a chance in December too, because December is very unpredictable. A cold time and everything. I mean, I could get my little money. I could get my little money and go Them can't wait till the little sun come back out for them ride up a bike back per road. Me can't go take my little money for go put in a gala. When me could have take my money and after me finish, me can't go do something else. And me have some other things that I need to take care of. And then for go take my money spent up. No. I have to take care of some priorities first. So me already told them I can't sit and put the money towards next year. Oh. That's what I did. From morning, me a sing a song here. Me always a sing a song here, you know. God remind me, you know. From yesterday, me a sing a song here. In my mind. And me can't stop sing it. I must have the Savior with me. For I dare not walk alone. God is just trying to remind me, say, daughter, me can't stop hum it. I must have the Savior with me. For I dare not walk alone. I must feel His presence near me. And His arms around the throne. I sing like a song. Then we live where I will go. And I go without a murmur. And His footsteps follow me. Every time I think of something, like, you know, like me feel away, this song come up in my head. And that's why I know I just smile at the storm. Yes. Yes, my dear. I've been singing that song from like 3 days now. It can't come out of my head. So I say, oh, that's a reminder. The Lord is reminding me. Yes, that I have the Savior with me. And in now I walk alone. I must feel His presence near me. And His arms. I think like I saw. I think I saw, yes, my dear. That's why me just smile at anything. So that is one of the reason why I just smile. So me just smile because it's God reminding me. No matter what the haters they must say about me, God said, He telling them, me have Him. Yeah, that's right. Me have Him. So as long as I have the Savior with me, I will not walk alone. That's right. Yes. Me say, I must feel His presence near me. So Jesus said, don't you know I have your back? You see my face been up like a double. Me say, some breed around to pain. Some breed of pain. A little. Me couldn't lift one more thing today. Me not ask you. Me say all in my rib cage pain there. In my body pain there. You know, so when you lift something and you lift something heavy, you know, so in your body you go right to your spine, right to your lower body, all the pain. But when you have back problem, you know, and you sit down, you know, and the pain go down there, so. It's only muscle relaxer and some warming powder can help you, or maybe some ice powder. That's when you overdo it. Me not overdo nothing. Me said today, I said today is resting day, honey. That's right. Today is resting day. Then when me have you laughing with that, I'm not getting a joke. Then when me have you laughing with that, then me I get a joke. Marcia not getting a joke. Today, tonight I love and relationship night. I tell you. Me don't need, me can put them sitting in there and come and chat to now. Me not get a love because all me want, me not get some good loving. That's what me want. Them a massage tonight, me not forget the massage, but me not wait until me done first. I'm making you walk in back. I tell you. Yeah. Just the way you talk. So you're good, not take my pain now. So you're good, not taking pain. So you're good, not take my pain now. Me not understand. We don't have to write paper English document. I read Jamaican language, good to know. You know. We don't have to just come out straight and give me a little chatting. Yeah. So you're good. No. And I got to take a pen. I love the little English writing. As much as I speak proper English, I love read English now. Yeah. Yes, me do. Let me go put this in the machine. We did find, you know, the stuff. Let me put in the machine. I wonder. Me now put them in the dryer, you know. Me I can't go to my light. You know me I wash. You know the something them pan the back of the fur rug them where you spread on back of the chair, on the sofa. I them I wash. Then can't go in the dryer. Maybe put them in the dryer, they must shrink. Don't they must shrink? They look a furry rug them. You know like how you know like they look something I put on top of my couch. I them I wash. Them me not think so them they can't go in the dryer. I don't think so. Let me go load up my card. I don't think them they can't go in the dryer. Me not think so. This one get free drying. I don't think so them one can't go in the dryer. I feel say if I put them in the dryer, they're going to shrink. I may have some nice one. I not put them in there. And then me did the wash. Yeah, me need a good little. You know me I talk about? The little sitting where you put on top of your couch for make decoration. The little for something them. Me not think say I don't think so they can go in the dryer. That's what me have.